Hello year 4, how are you? Hope you're fine. This is a new lesson in unit 9 lesson 4. This is a part 1 video. So get ready with your learner's book page number 132 to 133 and activity book page number 106 to 107 and even with your copy books please. And this is unit 9 lesson 4 party planning. Learning objective: reading, read emails, speaking, talk about celebrations, writing, write an email invitation and reply. So how do you celebrate your birthday? What are the different things you will do in your birthday? What you can do? What kind of birthday it will be? It will be like a theme birthday, or what type of games you like to do, and how do you celebrate? So open your book now, learner's book, page number 132. Talk about it. What did you do to celebrate your last birthday? Like, what do you do? Well, you did any theme wise, or you had a games, you invited your friends, so what all you did you invite any friends, and how did you invite them? So did you invite any of your friends, and how did you invite? You send an email, a text, you made an invitation card or postcard with the hand, you did a phone call, and even you have now face talk, or you have like WhatsApp message. How you invited your friends last year? So you will go to next activity, read, page number 132. Read man E's email. Why is she writing to Lauren? What is the purpose of Lauren's reply? So you're going to read an email she wrote to her friend, and what's the email about? So when you read it, you're going to answer this question in your copybook. So keep your copybook ready. So I'm going to read for you. So listen carefully what she has written, why she's writing, and for what purpose she's writing. Okay. So what purpose she's going to write of Lauren's reply. Now she's man is email, she's writing email, and what Lawrence will reply to her. So I'm going to just listen carefully because you're going to answer this question in the copybook. Hi Lauren, how are you? Hope you're having a great holiday. I'm writing to ask if you like to come to my birthday party on 29 July. We are going bowling at Plaza Center, and then we are going to have lunch at the Milo restaurant. It's going to be pizza and birthday cake. I really hope you can make it. It will be really good fun. I'm going to invite Vivian, Lena and Cindy too. But I haven't emailed them yet. My little sister will be there and your little brother can come too. Are you going to be there in July? I know it is the school holiday and you might be away. Please let me know soon if you can come home. Come. Sorry. And hope to hear from you soon from Manny. So now she's written. Now let's see what Lauren will reply to her. Okay. Hi Manny. Thanks for invitation. I'm not going to be away on 29th, so I'd love to come to your birthday party. My family are all going on holiday next week, but we'll be back 2 days before your birthday. So my mom says, so I can come to your party. No problem. My mom is asking if you can email us all the arrangements. Thanks. See you there, Lauren. So now tell me, I have read all the email for you. So tell me what she's writing and what is the reply of Lauren. Yes, she's writing to invite to her birthday party, and the Lawrence reply is she accept the invitation. So you need to write in your copybook. So next slide I have answers. Just check your answers. Okay, now activity 3, read page number 133, learner's book. In this, you're going to read against email of Manny's and match paragraphs. There are no 1 to 5 paragraphs with the topics 8. You need to match this sentences. Which does it match? Which topic, which paragraph does it match? Reason for writing, which paragraph 1 to 5. You can see the number in email. So you need to match which of this will match to the correct paragraph. Like what each one. Okay, number. Now let's see. Reason of writing, which paragraph does it match? You're right, 2. How are you? This is what reason she is writing for. And details. So which paragraph does it match? It's B. You're right. So you can write down if you need. You can write down beside this which paragraph is. So reason writing is paragraph 2, and detail is 3. So rest of you, I want you to do it and check in your next slide. Now let's go to activity 4, use of English. Learner's book, page number 133. Look at the language dictative box, read and complete Manny's reply to Lauren, choose the correct words. If you can see the there is a line dictative future plan going to verb. So how you'll plan for the future? Always you will say, you'll use to, going to. Always you always use to, going to plus to have, not to have, not to be, going to be. So this all the words you'll use after, but you have to use going to always, and after you can use have, not, be, isn't. Okay, this all you can write it down, but before that you should write going to be, and you have to, I'm not going, I will not go, I'm going to be there, I'm going to have. So these are the words, but the main important is you will write down going to is the main thing here. Okay, so now you're going to look at the language, read and complete Manny's reply to Lauren, choose the correct word. So you need to choose from this correct box. You can see this words in this box. Okay, you can see this one, be, call, not, email, commit. Before writing this you need to use writing with this you have to use going to. So you need to write. I'll give you one example, rest of you I want you to do by yourself. Hi Lauren, so please you can come to my party. We are, so look, we are going to. So we are writing we are going to meet. So we have to write down we are going to meet. So always use before going, or you need to use this word, but you have to use going to. So please can you come to my party? We are going to meet at the entrance to the plaza center at 10 a.m. Lunch is at 12:30 and finish at 2 p.m. Oh yes, is going to be my cousin's me. So now I tell you, I set it to example. Rest of you I want you to do by yourself and check in the next slide answers. So now open your activity book, page number 106, use of English. Complete the sentence with going to and a verb. What we did in the notebook is the same thing in the activity book. I want to do it by yourself and then check your answer in the next slide, but try to do it by yourself. Okay, so in this also, before anything you're going to write, before writing going to, before you need to use this word. Okay, I'll give you one example. They have already given this, I'm going to help mom paint my bedroom. So now next is what you're going to write, dash you are dash a new sport. So are you going to try, are you going to try. So this is word. So rest of you do it by yourself and check your answer in the next slide. Now again activity book, page number 106. Look at the pictures and write their holiday plans. Can you see the pictures? There's 1 to 5. And you need to tell me what their holiday plans are, what they're going to do. Like number 1 picture they have given, he's going to do judo. So what are the girls are just they are thinking what it will be, what is their imagination, what their plans like. We are going to campaigning. You can write this one is they are going for campaigning. We are going to campaigning. We are going to do campaigning. And next one is the girl, what she's like imagination, what's her dream. She's going to do painting. So rest of you I want you to try by yourself. I gave this example, so write down by yourself. Next,